I'm asking if you see a logic trail that explains that this song is about you, or if maybe you think that's a leap of logic, a stretch. And Akia says that this doesn't happen in isolation. She says that you also believe that neighbors have spied on you through holes in the ceiling. Do you believe that?
Maybe not spied on me, but I know that I've had a lot of problems in my life, and...
That's what you say, though. I mean, since we were small, holes in the wall, you cover with tape, or you stuff
well, there's always
toilet paper.
I mean, I've had some really hard times.
But you
with
claim
you
that there's cameras, that people are watching.
Well, maybe they have. I don't know. I'm just asking, have you said that?
I don't think I have said that, but if I have, it was a long time ago. The thrift store, what? Painting worth what?
Well, that you've purchased paintings at a thrift store.
Robert Woods
and
painting.
said that they were worth millions.
I didn't say worth millions. I said that they were worth, not worth millions. I just said that to me, they're worth millions.
That's not what you said.
Have you said that your ex-husband had a secret tunnel in the bedroom and came out as 6 different people?
No. And who was the ex-husband? No.
Have you said anybody is coming out of a secret tunnel in your bedroom as 6 different people?
No.
That is a lie, Mom.
That is not a lie.
Now, stay with me here.
Okay.
Now, Akia...
Maintenance workers stole my underwear?
No, we're not talking about maintenance workers stealing your underwear yet. We're talking about somebody coming out of a secret tunnel in your bedroom.
No.
As 6 different people.
I didn't see 6 different people. He would have different people come into the household all the time. Now, who, exactly, I mean, I wasn't there to see who came in and who. He had a...
Who built the tunnel?
I didn't say there was a tunnel.
Okay, so your daughter is lying?
I don't think she's lying, but I don't know.
Well, that's a pretty random thing to make up.
You swore up and down that he would go in his room and come out, and you would even show us photos and be like, this feature is different. That's not him. Maybe
yeah, because
you don't
wasn't, because it was those other people, and I just found out about that.
Did you or did you not tell your daughter this?
No, I did not.
Okay, why would she be saying this?
Why would she say that she doesn't believe that I'm Annie from Smooth Criminal? Because she doesn't realize that I am.
We're talking about whether or not you have told your children that there is a secret passage into your bedroom.
Did not.
And that someone is coming out of it as 6 different people.
He came out with different people. That I do know, but the secret tunnel, I might have thought that, but I know that's not true. Okay. Because there was no secret tunnel.
That's all I'm asking. Listen, you might have thought it at the time and don't now. That's all I want to know.
Because I wanted to know, how is it that all these different people, well, he didn't have a screen on his window and he was letting people in and out.
Okay.
I have proof of that as well.
That's all I want to know. I just want to know what it is you're entertaining in your mind. And some of it may be accurate and some of it may not.
No, some of it is not accurate. But now that I know what the truth is, because it took a little while for me to put everything together.
Sure. Yeah, and I'll help you sort all of this out. But I don't want you to be defensive about it. I want you to tell me, at one time I believed that, I don't now.
Right.
Or maybe I did and I don't, or whatever. But did you believe at one time that your bedroom was being infiltrated and that someone was coming out as different people?
I don't know about infiltrated, but I do know that I saw different people, and now I know.
Okay, so fundamentally, what she's saying you reported is true. Okay, so you confirm that one?
Yes.
Okay, maintenance workers stealing your underwear.
And that wasn't a maintenance worker. I found out it happened to do with, and I don't want to mention the person's name.
Okay. And they were stealing your underwear?
They were coming in the apartment, yes, because they had a key.